If you're a sufferer of gout, you probably already realize that diet plays a huge role, both in treating and preventing gout. In this video, you'll learn about the various foods to avoid in your diet if you want your gout attacks to disappear as quickly as possible. And if you're a gout patient yourself, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, where you'll learn where to get your hands on some new information that can help you get rid of your gout from home quickly and safely. Let's jump in. All right, so you might already know that gout is a form of arthritis that can hit you when levels of uric acid build up in the blood and cause crystals to form in your joints. While there are lots of things that can cause this to happen, one of the major causes of excess uric acid in your blood is your diet. So making a few changes to your diet can help ease your symptoms and make you feel a whole heap better. A good gout diet will help you avoid what are called purines. The breakdown of purines in the blood results in uric acid. So minimizing foods with high levels of purines in them is beneficial. You'll learn what some of these foods are soon. The second half of a good gout diet includes foods that help your body naturally lower its uric acid level. There are a few general rules to follow when creating a gout diet. The first is to avoid sugar as much as possible. Second, make sure you're well hydrated, since dehydration can increase the severity of gout attacks. Third, cut back on your fat intake and instead focus on leaner cuts of meat. Fourth, try and increase your intake of vegetables. Some vegetables such as asparagus and spinach, which are high in purines, have been shown to not increase the likelihood of future gout attacks. Finally, try and limit your alcohol consumption as much as possible. It might be tough to go without a drink now and again, but lots of studies show a clear link between gout and alcohol, particularly beer. If you can successfully follow these guidelines, your uric acid levels should decrease. Depending on the severity of your symptoms, your diet alone probably won't be enough to eliminate the attacks completely. But getting your diet right is still a step in the right direction. Regardless of the causes, gout isn't anyone's idea of fun. So if you're currently a sufferer of gout, chances are you want to be rid of it as soon as physically possible. On top of the physical pain associated with gout, there can be quite a lot of mental anxiety, since gout has a reputation of being difficult to treat. The good news is that's not really the case anymore. These days, there are ways you can get rid of your gout from home safely and quickly. This isn't the olden days. We're living in the modern era, and some of the best information is now available to you as a sufferer of gout. New studies are being done all the time to help you ease your suffering for good. There's a link on the screen and down in the description that will allow you to reach out and get some help. And the methods described will work in ways you could not have imagined just a few years ago. So if you're suffering from gout, don't let another minute go by before you check out the free information in the link below. It can all change for you starting today. Click the link below and ease your suffering by getting rid of gout for good.